today I will show you how to deactivate your Facebook account and delete your account permanently. Okay, so just what you need to do is that open your Chrome browser, and on the search bar you get facebook.com. Open your account and click on the corner, right corner, there will be a setting. So go to the setting. So first I'll tell you how to deactivate your account for a period of time. Okay, so before you deactivate your account, you can download your data copy from here. So I'll just show you. Click here and enter your password. Okay, just enter it, submit it. So the data is downloading. It's already downloaded. And just click on the go back and click on the manage account. Once you click the manage account, scroll down there and you'll see the deactivate your account option. So click it there and choose the reason why you want to deactivate, because I'll choose the other option, so I don't have the reason. So if you guys have the reason, just give the feedback here. Leave a reason. So click on the deactivate. You have to explain your reason why you want to choose option. Okay, let me explain. I will back. In deactivate option, the users you can log in back again. So I'll just put it. I'll come back. Deactivate. So once you deactivate your account will automatically log out. Yeah, you can log in back again. So here now I will show you how to delete your account permanently. Okay, this is deactivate, and the second, so go facebook.com and just log in again. I'm sorry, click there. I will show you quick. Oh no, what's going on? Oh yeah, it's come out. So this is your timeline. So in order to delete your account permanently, here on the corner you see the quick help. So you go to the quick help and there how can we help? So here you need to type delete. Just type it delete, you'll get the option. Here the downside, how do I permanently delete my account? Click here and scroll down, and before you delete your account, here you got an option to delete download a copy of your info. After you download your info, now log in your account and let us know, and click on the let us know, the blue color here, the link is here. Click here. So you got the delete my account option. So once you delete the account, you can be able to log in, or you can be able to search your profile or username again. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's see. Delete my account and enter your password once again. And there I can see clearly, so I'll try another one. Captcha. Nice. Yes, I'll try this one. H. This is. I'm sorry about that. Alright. So once you enter the captcha, just click OK. So it will show your permanently deleted account. So here they give the limit. They are giving the limit permanently delete within 14 days. If you don't want, if you change your mind before the 14 days, you can log it back there. You'll get an option. But after the 14 days, like 15-16 days, you can be able to log in again. if you know your password, your username, whatever, you can't be able, it will be permanently deleted, it will be erased, everything. So keep in your mind, you will have the option to cancel your request, yeah, before the 14 days. So click on the OK. So your Facebook will be automatically logged out. So after the 14 days, your account will be deleted permanently. So guys, if you like the videos, and if you have any question about these videos, just comment below. And if you like, please subscribe my channel. Every week I will upload a unique video for you guys, and please share it and please like the button. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you guys. Bye.